Beautiful people, what's going on? It's your boy Marlon Bennett. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get things done that you don't want to do. The best work from home jobs on the internet and how you can make money doing the things that other people don't want to do. Okay? How to get things done that you don't want to do by outsourcing the best work from home jobs on the internet, right? If you're a person who's looking for some of the best jobs on the internet, and how you can make money doing the things that other people don't want to do. Okay? The name of this site, guys, is called Freelancer. Maybe a lot of you guys are already familiar with it. Doesn't matter. If you're not, now you are, right? Guys, initially when I went into the Freelancer website, when I started looking around to have some things outsourced, right? I found quite a few sites. There are many on the internet that do this kind of thing. Now, this is what I want to talk about, and this is why I say this video covers those 3 points. Number one, guys, as an internet marketer, there are going to be a lot of things that you just don't have time to do or that you just don't want to do. Okay? And so when that happens, guys, there are many things that you can actually have outsourced. I still have things outsourced to this very day, right? You go to places like Fiverr. We're not going to talk about that, but there are a lot of other places like SEO clerks. But you can have anything that you want to do outsourced. Capture pages, autoresponders hooked up to your actual people can hook up your autoresponders for any service, right? You could possibly think of that you need done. You can get it done by outsourcing. So that's how you can get the things done that you don't want to do. Now, guys, let's talk about the best work from home jobs on the internet. There are a lot of people who are working from home doing this kind of thing, right? And what they're doing, right, and what you can do, guys, if you want to make money on the internet and you want to make money from home and you're looking for a great job that you can work on the internet, then by becoming a freelancer, what you can do, guys, you can take whatever skills you already have, right? There are skills that you already have. I don't know what they are. You may be a programmer. You may be a person that's be great at coding. You may know about HTML, SEO, right? You may, whatever your service is, guys, it may have nothing to do with internet marketing whatsoever. But whatever that skill is, you can come to a place like Freelancer and you can list your skill when you sign up with the free account for these guys. And there are other things you'll be able to do, but you can sign up for free. List your particular skills, right? And then, guys, you'll be working, you'll be able to work as a freelancer, bidding your particular skills, right? And your services, whatever it is you're able to do to people who are looking to have those things done. Remember, there are a lot of things that we don't want to do, right? We have outsourced. So there are a lot of people looking to have things outsourced inside of the freelancer. So if you have a particular skill, guys, and believe me, guys, before you start thinking you don't, you need to check this site out. You need to go onto the site, guys, and see the actual things that people are looking for, right? I talk about being a problem solver in my videos, guys. There are problems that you are capable of solving right now, right? You might not want to believe it, guys, but if you cut the TV off and get off Facebook for a minute and just sit back and think, you can think of 1,000 different things that you can do for other people that they don't want to do for themselves, and you can make money while you're doing it. So when we talk about how to get things done that you don't want to do, you can use this site to have those things outsourced. And when we talk about the best work from home jobs on the internet, you can actually become a member of the freelancer site, right? Become a freelancer, right? Start doing things for other people that they don't want to do, and you can make money that way, guys. Okay, again, when I first came onto the site, my initial what I really just wanted to do was have something outsourced. But then what happened over time, guys, as my internet marketing skills continue to grow, there are all kinds of things that I'm able to do, guys, even when it comes to coding websites. So what I decided to do, guys, was start offering my services on a place like Freelancer, okay, and making money that way too, okay? Everybody doesn't want to get online and do most of the business type models that I cover in terms of automated marketing systems with affiliate products and services. Some people just want to get online and do work that they're familiar with, right? And you can do it now, guys. Thanks to technology, you can work from home doing this kind of thing and making good money doing it. Now, when you register, guys, you're going to end up with a page that looks exactly like the one you're looking for here, right? You can see you can hire freelancers up here, right? You can do all kinds of great stuff once you're on this website. Now, when we talk about the work, guys, this is where you can find the work, okay? You can browse the different projects, right? You can see what's going on inside of your particular account. You can go in, bid the jobs based around your particular skills. You guys can also get into the category that you want to get into that aligns with your particular skill. I don't know what your skills are, but whatever they are, guys, on this site, you should be able to find something that it is that you're able to do that other people don't want to do and will pay you good money to do. Right? Okay, so look, once you become a member of the site, guys, okay, and let me show you what happens. Every day, guys, what Freelancer will do is they will email you, right, with different projects that are being bid on and that's available, okay? They go as far as describing the particular project, and they talk about the actual budget that these people are willing to pay to have these things done, right? You understand, guys? Are you following me here? The people are going into the actual website. They're posting what it is they need done. All you're doing, guys, is matching your particular skill up with what the desired job that these people want done is. And you can make pretty good money doing it. I do so many other things, guys, but when I saw this, I was really excited because I can do a lot of the things that's going on inside of here. So I don't want to get too far off in that direction right now, but you want to be doing this kind of thing, guys. Look at some of the different stuff that's being bid on right now. And the beauty of it is you don't have to go on the site and search around. When there are jobs available that's being bid, you actually receive an email notification of those jobs. And that's what's happening in my email right here. These particular jobs that's being bid on are built around my particular profile that I built on the Freelancer website. You tailor your profile based around your particular skills and what it is you can do, and you will only get notifications from freelancers based around those particular skills. Guys, hey, if you guys are not excited about this and you're looking for, a way to work from home, I mean, something you can do without having to drive to an office, you know what I mean, set it up based around your particular skills and skill sets and whatever it is you're able to do, then hey, guys, maybe you just want to go out and get a job on the economy. But I'm just telling you, this is what it's coming to, guys, right? People are going online and they're finding all kinds of ways to make money online. If that's not what you're in the market for and you're an internet marketer and you're looking to have something done that you don't want to do, still, it's a win-win situation because, again, guys, you could have a lot of things outsourced for just pennies on the dollar, right? But when you decide you do want to do this type of thing, then you can actually make money from home doing it, okay? And so I wanted to make sure that I put this video out here today, guys, because I think a lot of times we may think that we have to get into an affiliate marketing business, or we have to get into some type of MLM, or but it's just too many ways to make money online. And let me close by saying this, guys. I said in another video that somebody said it. I couldn't remember who it was, but they said the new illiterate of the 22nd century, it will not be people that cannot read and write. Right? It will not be people who cannot read and write, because that's what we associate illiteracy with, right? But the new illiterate will be people who don't know how to get online and navigate their ways around and do business online, to transact almost every aspect of what you do online. It's just the way the technology is going, guys. That's where it's headed, right? So familiarize yourself with these types of sites because there are a lot more of them, guys. I wanted to put this up because it kind of kills 2 or 3 birds with 1 stone. And I hope you guys found this information of some value. Again, if you just want to get some things done that you don't want to do yourself, or if you're looking for some cool ways, you know, a cool source or a place you can go work from home, jobs that you can do right here on the internet, you know, for people who need stuff done that they don't want to do, you can make money that way as well. Anyway, guys, that's my time. Thousands of more videos to do. Miles to go before I sleep. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Oh, P.S. And by the way, guys, I'll leave the link for Freelancer right here in the YouTube video description area. I'll see you guys then.